Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dishcloths is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, but trust me, they can be a game changer. Ditching the germ-harboring sponges and opting for a fresh, clean cloth for every wash? It's a simple upgrade that can seriously elevate your dishwashing experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of disposable dishcloths, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect ones for your needs. Number 5. Swedish Dishcloths 10-pack Eco-Friendly Cleaning Cloths. These Swedish dishcloths are perfect for your kitchen and bathroom. They are designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. This dishcloth can pick up spills and splashes like magic. It is perfect for wiping down any surface. Forget paper towels. This cloth can be washed and reused. Just toss it in the wash, and it's good as new. Made from cellulose and cotton, it becomes soft when wet and gritty enough for scouring when dry. This makes it perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Safe for many surfaces, it works great for scrubbing or drying dishes, cups, sinks, and more. You can use it all over your house. What we like? These dishcloths are super absorbent, perfect for tackling spills with ease. They're also reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. If you're looking for a versatile and eco-friendly cleaning solution for your kitchen and bathroom, this is a great choice. What people say. It wipes up spills efficiently. It beats a sponge any day. It is soft and the right thickness and dries quickly. They pick up everything. And that's nice and all. It's more than nice, they do a remarkable job. But more magic comes in when you rinse them. Nothing gums up. They rinse right off very quickly so you can keep going. They hold the perfect amount of moisture. They can be as wet or dry as the job you're doing requires. I love them on stainless appliances, inside of the refrigerator. They hold enough heat from warm water and enough moisture to dissolve smeared stuff kids leave on the doors. It's fast. Number 4. SUPERSCANDI Swedish Dishcloths, Biodegradable and Reusable. Introducing the SUPERSCANDI Swedish Dishcloths. These cloths are designed to make cleaning easier and more effective. They are versatile and can be used on various surfaces throughout your home. These dishcloths are 100% biodegradable and kind to the environment. Made from natural and sustainable materials, it's a perfect choice for your home and the planet. No chemicals, no landfill. The dishcloths are washable and fast-drying, eliminating any unpleasant odors. You can wash it up to 50 times. It's super absorbent, capable of absorbing up to 20 times its weight in liquid. The SUPERSCANDI dishcloths make a great gift for those who love interior design and care about the environment. With its modern colors and clean packaging, it will complement any home. The SUPERSCANDI cloth collection adds a stylish touch to your kitchen and home. Not only do they look great, but they are also eco-friendly, odor-free, and provide professional cleaning results. What we like? These dishcloths are made from biodegradable materials, making them kind to the environment. They are also reusable and super absorbent, perfect for any cleaning task. If you are passionate about the environment and want a stylish addition to your home, you should consider this. What people say. They are very absorbent, much better than paper towels. Great for wiping down the kitchen countertop. You can wash them in the dishwasher and reuse them. Right away, the absorbency was impressive. These cloths can be wrung out like a sponge and absorb 15 to 20 times their weight in liquid. For kitchen spills and cleaning up messes for my 2 young children, they work wonders. After repeated use, they don't fall apart or show significant wear. Versatile, easy to rinse, scrub and grime out of after wiping counters or appliances. We wash them in a small load in our washer on high temp. They come out ready to go back to work. Number 3. JOYMOOP 18-pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. These cloths have amazing absorbency, allowing you to clean any surface quickly. They are non-scratch and leave no streaks, perfect for glass, mirrors, and kitchenware. Made from a blend of polyester and polyamide fibers, these cloths are incredibly soft. They are safe for your hands, making them ideal for washing dishes. These kitchen towels are super absorbent, perfect for drying. The microfiber surface effectively absorbs liquids and stains, and they are lint-free for long-lasting use. They can absorb up to 3 times their weight in liquid. You can wash and reuse these dish towels hundreds of times. They won't twist or bleach. Using these cloths helps you reduce waste by replacing disposable paper tissues. This pack includes 18 cloths in 3 assorted colors. Each cloth measures 10 by 10 inches, allowing you to tackle different housework tasks with ease. What we like. These microfiber cloths offer streak-free cleaning on any surface. They are made of ultra-soft material, safe for hands. If you are looking for a reusable and cost-effective cleaning solution, this is a great option. What people say. They pick up dust, dirt, and spills easily without leaving lint or streaks. Durable even after multiple washes, these cloths are great for kitchens, bathrooms, and cars. They are soft and hold water. Number 2. LOLA Wowables XL Swedish Dishcloths. These cloths are 11 by 10 inches, twice the size of standard cloths. This larger size means it can cover more area with each swipe, making cleaning more efficient. Don't let the thinness fool you. This cloth is incredibly absorbent, picking up liquids quickly. Plus, it dries faster than other cloths. You can reuse this cloth up to 150 times. This helps you save money by reducing the need for disposable paper towels, potentially saving you a lot. The cloths come smartly rolled for easy storage. The included clip keeps one readily available, while the others stay neatly stored, saving space. It's made from a 100% compostable cellulose cotton blend. This means it's good for the environment, breaking down naturally after use. This cloth is gentle yet durable, safe for use on various surfaces. You can use it on wood, glass, stone, and stainless steel without worry. The unique roll-based process allows for a better value. You get premium German-made, Ecotech certified cloths without sacrificing quality or sustainability. What we like. These dishcloths come in bigger sheets, providing better coverage for your cleaning tasks. They are ultra-absorbent and can be reused up to 150 times. If you have a lot of cleaning to do and want to save money on paper towels, you should choose this. What people say. One sheet is all you need for most spills wipe downs due to the spongy absorbency. They clean up my countertops and stove nicely thanks to the ridges on one side. They rinse out so easily and dry a lot faster than my dish towels would. Number 1. JEBBLAS Reusable Cleaning Towels. These handy wipes are perfect for all your cleaning needs. They are designed to be reusable, making them an eco-friendly alternative to paper towels. With a size of 13 by 24, it's perfect for any cleaning task around the house. You can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or anywhere else you need a quick clean. Unlike disposable paper towels, these cloths can be reused, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. By switching to these reusable cloths, you can significantly cut down on your spending on paper towels. It's a smart choice for your wallet. The 5 different colors help you avoid cross-contamination by assigning each color to a specific cleaning task. This makes cleaning more organized and efficient. These cleaning cloths are made to last. You can even toss them in the washing machine for easy cleaning and reuse. What we like. These handy wipes are reusable and more eco-friendly than paper towels. They come in multiple colors to avoid cross-contamination. If you like saving money and want a durable cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. These are great for washing dishes. They are very absorbent and do a great job. They are thick and hold up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.